In this video, we'll be looking at clients and patients in the app. Clients and patients are brought into the app via their appointments, and they can be viewed as separate lists in the client and patients sections of the app. To view the clients, I will select the client option at the top of the menu. Here I can see a list of clients who have appointments. If this list is particularly long, I can filter it by using the search option. If I have a client I need to look at that is not currently in the app, and I have a connection to a 4G or 3G network or Wi-Fi, I can use the client search option on the top right. This allows me to put in my search criteria and bring back a list of matching clients. I can then select one and bring their details into the app for usage in making an appointment or viewing their patients. If I select a client, I see more detail about them, such as their name, address, client reference, their account status, any contact numbers or email, their account balance, and I can use these to make contact with them if need be. I can also view their location. This will open my Maps application and show me where they're located. I can view any alerts. Here I can see there's a 1 which indicates there's an alert for them. I can view the patients linked to them. And I can also view any appointments I have for them. I can look also at their account balance, telling me how much is outstanding on their account, as well as any items that I have currently booked in the app that haven't been synced back to the main system under mobile uninvoiced. If I go back, I can see I have an email address, and this allows me to directly email them from my device. If I had contact numbers, I could also call them. Clicking on the Maps icon at the top of the screen allows me to view their location and also directions to their location from my current location using the inbuilt Maps application. It would also give me approximate travel times based on live traffic conditions. On the top right, I can also send a text message. In this instance, there is no mobile number linked to the account, but if there was, I could send a message. Going back, I can now view the patients list. These are patients who currently are in the app because they have an appointment. Clicking on one brings up more detail, such as their breed, species, colour, age, any measurements or insurance. It also allows me to view any medical records linked to them. We'll look at medical records in more detail in a different video. Going back, I can also view their location. I can view any alerts for them, any appointments they have, and also their clients. At the top of the screen, I have a similar icon as I do in clients where I can view directions to them. I can also book items for them using the box icon, and this will be gone into in more detail in a different video. Once I've booked items, I can quickly sync these once I have a connection back to the main VetIT app with the cloud synchronization button on the far right hand side.